Oh, fun fact. Did you know every year about 500 million new pallets are made, right? And funny enough, 25 million of them end up in landfills or just discarded. So the more pallets we can use to make furniture, garden stuff, you know, hey, we're helping the environment. We're doing our part. Welcome to Nailed It Projects. Now, to start off today's video, word. Proverbs 21. The craving of a sluggard will be the death of him, because his hands refuse to work. All day long he craves for more, but the righteous give without sparing. Today I am here to give to you. What am I giving? Information, a skill set, a way to better your life. Today we're going to be making seeding starters, meaning instead of going to the store and purchasing seeding starters from anywhere $5 to $35, I am going to show you how to make your own. And you already know what I'm using. Yes, as always, good old pallets. Yeah. You should already know. You knew that was coming, right? Come on. You knew. I'm just saying. We are doing as we were put here to do, intended to do. We are creating. So let's get to creating. So usually you can get pallets Facebook Marketplace. It's my favorite place to shop. Business it. Some stores, like right across the street from me, there's a place called Pinch a Penny. They have stacks of them, and they're like, sure, go ahead, take what you want. Wherein these I got from guys down the street called Colossus Coatings. My homeboy Corbin works there. He called me. He's like, hey, come get these pallets, man. They're about to throw them away. Why not? For the benefit of new viewers to the channel, I'm going to show you just how easy it is using Sawzall to take these pallets apart. I've already done these 3, 4. All right. So right where it joins, you get in between it with the blade. Make sure you have a 6-inch or longer blade, and that is how easy I got all the way down just now. That's why I prefer Sawzall instead of a hammer, taking the nails out. It's been a month, 3 weeks to a month, since I figured out how to finish this video. Like I said in my last video, I'm not gonna make content just to make content. Yeah, it's supposed to be consistent, but if it's not worthwhile, I don't see the sense in doing it. Finally figured it out, and here we go. Empty water bottles plus Stay Green gives you this. My plan is to use pallets I've cut up and make boxes, seeding starters, little crates. But I'm not just going to use a pallet and put dirt in it, let them grow. I have enough bottles to, I think, make 4 crates, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to make more than 4 crates. I'm not. The rest of it is going to be used to make trellises. Let me get to cutting these boxes, put them together. Hopefully I'm done in half an hour. Time to use what I have here and try to figure out how big this boxes is going to be. I've marked the braces for the pallet 2x4 sections at 10 inches because that is how wide we are running with the bottles. So it'll be somewhat snug but not too tight. So here's your seeding starter using pallets, recycle, and water bottles. Here at work, drink a lot of water, and I figured a couple weeks ago, I save them, cut them in half. I can actually lift these up to see root development. And what I plan to do is put slits that last line at the bottom, and if possible, line the seeding planter with plastic. That way I can pour water in here and it'll help suck up water from the bottom also. I will show you guys that when we get to it. Yeah, one box in. Could have cut a little closer, but hey, it's done. Spending money on those plastic trays, they don't help. Flimsy. These will last for years. I'll be back. All 4 boxes are done. Now to fill the rest of my bottles with dirt, line one of these with plastic, punch the holes in the bottom of the plastic bottles, fill the plastic with water, and see what happens. See, I have my bottles here, and I think it's safer to go from the inside and just, I'm going about a 1/4 inch up from the bottom. Just putting a slit in there, about 3 times around the edge, and that's it. Just made plastic, stated before. And this is what we have with the plastic on the inside. Cut this excess off. And get some water in it while I finish the others. You can see, let's measure real quick. You can look at the razor right at the first mark where the blade is. Right at the tip of the blade is where the water is right now. Let's see how much of these cups sucking in. Here we have 4 boxes. This one is mislabeled. The bag blew away. I cannot find it. So I put, nope. Yes. I put lemon balm in this box. I need to change the label. This one is going to be citronella. And I'm going to show you how I plant. We all plant differently. Like that. And if you take a look in here, still water down there. As you know, I put the plants outside when I get to work in the sun, letting them some sunlight. Whatever is evaporated from inside the planter box, you know, at least these will still stay soaked. That was the whole plan of doing it this way. So I'm gonna get to finishing the rest of this. I got 6, I got 14 to go. Each box holds 20. Get it done. And I made 2 more boxes because I have more special seeds to plant. Over the weekend, I hit quiet. The other bottles needed for these 2 boxes. I'm gonna get those set up. You might see them in the next video, you might not. I'm sure you will. These, I give them until probably Friday before we start seeing sprouts come up from these seeds. Fingers crossed, hopefully. Appreciate you coming back to the channel. And remember, if this was your first time coming, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like what you're seeing. Go back and check out the other videos early in the channel. And thumbs up or thumbs down. Your choice. Let me know what you think. If you leave a thumbs down, better leave a comment. Let me know what I can do better. All right. So appreciate you guys watching. And from Nail It Projects, with DIY, gardening, greenhousing, setting up a pool, everything around the house DIYing, to daily mechanic. That's what I do. I'm a daily mechanic. Appreciate you guys. Love you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.